Hey guys, so welcome back to another vlog, and today me and Blake are going to be going out in the pouring rain. It is pouring outside and we're going to go do some trampoline tricks on there. So trampoline versus rain or trampoline tricks in the rain. It's going to be fun, slippery. I don't know if we're going to do too many tricks because we don't want to slip and fall. Sorry my hair's like this. I've been wearing my hat all day and we just filmed bridge jumping too, so my hair got all wet there. So go check out those videos and hope you guys enjoy this video. Yeah! Rain! Backflip rain! Oh, dude, you get so much air! Dude, I should try my Cody, dude.
Cody, that's what I meant. That's totally what I said.
Oh! Come on, Blake, get on. I'm gonna have to wipe my camera off so much. Ready? Side flip. Yeah! Here we go. I'm gonna get Blake in.
Ready?
Yeah.
You get the craziest amount of bounce. Backflip. Oh crap. Oh dude.
Okay, we're gonna vlog for Blake's channel because it's super hard to double vlog, and we'll check in and I'm gonna do a trying Cody on this. Hey guys, it's super bouncy, so I'm gonna try my first Cody ever. I am so excited. We just vlogged for Blake's channel, so go check him out. Link in the description, and here we go. I'm gonna get my cold way worse now.
Yeah.
Ready? I don't need bounce, dude. I got way too much already. Ready?
Yep.
Oh, almost had
He's
it.
getting really close though.
Ready? Oh,
Oh
dude, I
wow.
had that.
I don't plan on like going home anytime soon.
Oh, why am I getting so close?
I don't know.
Okay, last one. They're gonna vlog for Blake's channel. Way too much. I gotta do it one more time for the viewers.
For the viewers. Got to do it for the viewers.
Dang it.
Crap.
So we're gonna vlog for Blake's channel, and then we'll get back to you guys. We'll see you then. Hey guys, we're back. Front flip 180 cam. Oh jeez, dude, it's so bouncy. I love it. Woo! Ready? I'm gonna dab to the camera in midair. Ready? Stuff, guys. Woo! That was a bad dab. I need to redo that one. Ready? Yeah, that was actually cool. Okay, Blake, go.
What should I do? Side flip.
Back flip with a dab.
Back flip. Side flip with the jab.
Okay.
It's gonna be a little interesting, guys. Thanks to Layson for teaching me how to side flip, by the way.
Oh, dude, your phone. Okay, we're gonna get back to you. I'm gonna try Cody one more time after Blake's done with a little bit of stuff. Here I go, trying Cody again. Dude, you think I got that?
Yeah.
All day.
Go for it. Oh my gosh, you are getting so close.
Oh, too much. I hit my leg.
Well, now I have an excuse of not showering tonight.
Yeah.
Just kidding, of course I'm going to shower. It's gross out.
Nope.
Okay.
Okay, one more backflip cam, then we're gonna go to Blake's channel. Woo! So much fun, I love it. Here we go, guys. I'm gonna jump onto my stomach and get a cool angle. Ready? Oh! Wow. Ready? One more time. Oh, that looks so cool, I bet. And now a back one. Here we go. Ready? Oh. Ready? Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom to front flip. Yeah! Okay, I'm gonna get a couple more tricks.
And then maybe do a time lapse.
Yeah, or I'm probably gonna be done. I'm cold, dude.
I'm not.
Hey, a couple more tricks, then I'm gonna do a time lapse. Here we go, let's do side flip. Whoa. My voice went so high there. Side flip, front flip 180 cam, back flip cam, then when we're done. Ready? Here we go. We're gonna do those backwards. Back flip cam, here we go. Woo! What did I say next? Front flip 180 cam. Woo! And I said side flip cam. Last one, then I'm gonna do a time lapse. Yeah! Ready, guys? Time lapse in 3, 2, 1. Okay, 2 more backflip propels and then I'm probably going to be done and go change.
Okay. Oh crap!
Are your friends going to be mad that you got wet?
No, they're probably going to be more here. I got my phone.
Ready? Okay, well, tell me in 2 bags. Ready? Now. There, that was good.
Ready? Do this side.
Now. Now. That was better. Again. Now. Okay, you can do this, ready?
I don't want to do this. I'll get pushed.
Can't probably be done right start anyway.
Okay.
You gonna be done?
Yeah.
Last trick. Oh. If you go back to your house, do you think your parents will let you back? Go back though.
Why?
Because you're probably gonna have to go back. You're all soaking wet. And you have no other clothes.
Oh, fine. Rain stopped anyways.
What?
Rain stopped anyways.
So Blake, how was it?
Wet.
That was so much fun. You got so high, and then when Blake bounced me on that last clip you guys saw, I got so high. It was so much fun. So right now, my mom's just gonna give us some towels. Then we're gonna edit this, and we're probably gonna make the outro. It's probably gonna be, it was pretty short. We just want to do this for fun. It was really fun though.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a long one
My
too.
phone breaks. I'm dead.
Yeah. You put that in the bag, but it's
I
a waterproof phone, so it should be fine.
Well, let me be honest. It does say the iPhone 7's waterproof. I made sure with a lot of like test videos, and they would say like the top microphone would get all muffled up. So, you never know. Gotta be safe.
Okay, so we're gonna check in after we edit the video and get dried off. So guys, that's probably gonna be it for this vlog because I'm really tired from the bridge jumping. Here's a clip of that. And that's because I'm tired from that. We did the whipped cream, which just came out. Here's a clip from that. And that's probably going to be it because I'm really tired from those videos that you just saw. We did a lot of recording this week, and we did some from Ethan's channel. So go subscribe to Blake's channel. His link is in the description. He's posting another rain one just like me. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you guys later.